a short clip of this moth actually feeding. This is some lemon curd fillings. I bought a lemon meringue pie the other day, and it was actually so sickly that I couldn't eat it. But I ate the meringue part and the pastry, and I kept this lemon filling back. And this little job he's enjoying it, like, terrific. What a good shot that is. Wow. I can get closer as well, because it's not bothered by me at all. In fact, look at that. That's about 6 inches away on full zoom. That's terrific. But I'm going to end that now because